It's time to make edible landscaping history and make our lives and planet thrive. From herb spirals, gourmet mushrooms, to fruit harvest, the time is here and now to bring forth the knowledge and how-to in a fresh new way, to create attractive and abundant landscapes. Join Michael Judd, the modern edible landscaper, who has compiled 25 plus years of growing experience into 2 books and an educational YouTube channel that covers food forest, raised bed gardens, mushroom cultivation, easy to grow fruits, herb spirals, hugelkultur beds, earthen ovens, pawpaws, and more. Ready to jump in? Your role in edible landscaping will help make a long-lasting and far-reaching impact that will help guide our lives, our communities, landscapes, and planet towards health and abundance. We need your support to bring this vision into reality. It's time to plant. Thank you for joining this co-creation and supporting a fruitful future.